Hello folks, this is Bronco Bob with American Motorcycle and No Limits Power Sports. I'm here today to show you a 2010 Harley-Davidson Road King with lots of extras. It features the new frame design with the 180 rear tire. It's got hard bags, detachable luggage rack, detachable backrest. It's got the sundowner seat with a rider backrest. It's got the storage pouch with water bottles on both sides. It's a fuel injected 96-inch motor with a 6-speed transmission, and this bike is immaculate. We ship bikes all over the world, we ship bikes all over the USA, and we would love to ship this bike to you. In fact, today we just happen to have our overseas shipping expert. He's live, he's signing autographs. His name is Richie Barker.
Anytime,
Richie,
anywhere, by boat, by plane, however you'd like it.
He'll get it to you. And over here we have Ross Moon, one of our other shipping experts. And Ross can get this Road King to you anywhere in the world. He'll take care of you. You got any words for our customers, Ross?
Nope.
Come on down.
Come on down to see me.
Come on down and see me.
Right.
Ross will take care of you. But thanks for looking at this beautiful Road King, and you can see our showroom is full of Harleys, and our outside showroom is full of Harleys. We got a lot of Harleys, so come on down. This is the place. Thanks for looking. Thanks for your time.